All right, moving on to some breaking news now coming in over the issue of Rania Rao gold smuggling case, and the accused Rania Rao has been produced in court. Remember, this is days after she was arrested at the Bengaluru airport for gold smuggling. It's become a huge political controversy in the state as well, with the BJP alleging that the actor approached two ministers in the Siddaramaiah-led government to wriggle out of trouble, and the Congress has hit back and spoken about certain favors to Rania Rao during the previous BJP government. But now the latest is that Rania Rao has been produced in court. Let's go across to Nehal Kidwai for more on this story. Well, we will be joined by Nehal in just a moment, but that is the breaking news in this gold smuggling controversy centered around an actor who was arrested a few days ago and she's been accused of smuggling gold in the Bengaluru airport is where she was arrested, and she has been produced in court, and this has become a huge political blame game as well, with the BJP alleging that she was trying to use the help of two Congress ministers to get out of trouble and to ask for favors. And however, the Congress hit back and says that under the Basavaraj Bommai-led BJP government, that she had been given allotted land, in fact, to set up a steel plant. So right now, the massive controversy after this actor was caught smuggling gold at the Bengaluru airport, and she has now been produced in court. We will try and get you more details, and Nehal Kidwai joining us in just a moment to talk more about this entire issue. This is a huge row that has now broken out over these alleged political links that this actor may have, and the BJP saying that the actor had actually approached some Congress ministers for help after she was arrested at the Bengaluru airport. However, and in fact, state BJP chief Vijayendra has said that blatant violation of protocols that allegedly enabled Rania Rao to smuggle gold could not have happened without direct support of influential figures within the government. So that is the big accusation. There you can see those visuals that have come. Rania Rao produced in court, and the BJP claiming that she had major political links, which is how she was carrying out this gold smuggling, and she was caught at the Bengaluru airport. But the Congress, however, hit back at the BJP, saying that she was allotted land by the Basavaraj Bommai government.